Hi, Mr. Wright here. If you're aiming for a grade 4 or 5 in your Edexcel IGCSE Foundation Maths, then in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what I would be doing between now and your exams. Now, first things first, if you are preparing for your Edexcel IGCSE Maths Foundation exams, please hit like now. It'll help the channel and help other people find this film. Now, let's start with what's already available. There are a huge amount of free resources available on the YouTube channel for foundation students. On the channel, you'll find how-to films, where I teach each skill step by step, practice films, where I go through exam questions, and also full past paper walkthroughs. So if you're happy working independently, you can absolutely use these resources to prepare. However, what I find is that students often jump between topics or focus on the wrong things, and that's where confidence starts to drop. So the solution is to revise in a clear and structured way, which is exactly why I have created my complete IGCSE Foundation Practice Pack. It gives you structured topic-by-topic preparation across the full syllabus. Let me show you quickly what it looks like. There are over 240 real exam questions, and all of these are grouped clearly topic by topic. Each question has a full written step-by-step solution, and there are nearly 8 hours of video walkthroughs where I explain everything carefully. So this just makes your revision that much more straightforward. Now, many students use this first to build their confidence and then move on to full past papers. And then, just before the exam, I'm running a live grade 4 and 5 revision session. Now, this will take place on Tuesday, the 12th of May, 2 days before your paper 1. And in that session, I'll be working through carefully selected exam questions on the topics most likely to come up. And I'll be showing you how to approach them step by step. It's really about making sure you're clear on what to do when you open that paper. So you're not guessing, but you're confident. So if you want that final bit of clarity before the exam, it might be really useful to attend. So if you're preparing for foundation, start with the free resources if you want to. If you want something more structured, take a look at the Foundation Practice Pack. And if you want that final boost before your exam, you can join me for the live revision sessions. I've put links to everything below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next film.